Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use the waterfall model in Zoho Project, your guide for 2025. First things first, let's create a new project. Navigate to the main dashboard and click on the New Project button. The reason we do this is simple. Every unique project demands its own space for effective management. Now that we've done that, let's set our project model to waterfall. You'll see this option in the drop-down menu under Project Model. Selecting the waterfall model is crucial because it allows us to structure our project in linear, sequential phases, ensuring that each stage is completed before moving on to the next. Next up, let's define our project stages. This can be done by clicking on the Tasks tab and then the Add Task button. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each task you add represents a stage or phase in your waterfall model, like design, development, or testing. This helps us because it allows us to break our project down into manageable chunks and maintain order. Now we need to set a timeline for each task. You can do this by clicking on the task and setting the start and end dates in the task detail window. Setting a timeline is important because the waterfall model is time-focused. Each task must be completed within its set timeframe before moving on to the next one. Finally, assign these tasks to your team members. Go to the Assignee field in the Task Detail window and select the appropriate team member from the drop-down list. The reason we do this is to clearly define roles and responsibilities. This is a key aspect of the waterfall model, ensuring everyone knows what they should be doing and when. That's it. You've now set up your project using the waterfall model in Zoho Project. Remember, the waterfall model is all about structured, sequential progress, so keep a close eye on task completion and timelines. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep those projects flowing smoothly.